Oops. There's another quarter.
Okay. Hi, it's Peggy here. Andy's over there.
The ring has spoken.
Today's going to be a relatively quick video. We have beets. They're raw. They're not cooked. They're not blanched. They're just peeled. Washed and peeled. Okay? So what we're going to do, we're going to make beet chips. And we're going to save some of them as beet chips because they make a wonderful snack, very healthy and nutritious. You'll see it quite often done in the oven, but they do them at too high a temperature for what we want to do for the second thing. And that's grind some of those chips into a powder. This is a vegetable, but it's also, it has so many medicinal attributes and properties. It's phenomenal. I'm never going to remember them all, so I wrote some down for us. What I've got is, okay, so did you know, okay, you can buy this at the health food store as a powder, and it's really expensive. When you see how easy it is to do, you're going to want to do it yourself. You'll see videos of people doing it at higher than normal dehydrating temperatures in the oven. And yeah, it makes a nice crispy chip, but you're not going to get the nutritional benefits from it. Try to keep it at the 125, 135. Even 135 is a little high for a vegetable. Should be processed at 125. They say it can take 4 hours in the oven. Oh yeah, at like 150 for sure. Mine took 12 to 14 because I did them at the lower temperature. I want them for medicinal purposes, right? So what you can do, you can eat them healthily as a snack at night, like a little treat. And they're really tasty. They have lots of sugar. Did you know refined sugar, of course, we know it's bad for us. Our bodies do not process refined sugar properly. There is an equal amount of sugar right here in the beetroot. However, it comes with fiber, and the fiber in the sugar helps our bodies process it and deliver it the way it's supposed to be delivered. You could make sugar from this. Look it up. It's not difficult. So what we've got here, it relaxes your arteries, which in doing so allows your arteries and your veins to enlarge and allow more blood to go through them, and better for your circulation. It helps cleanse the liver. It helps fight against fatty liver disease. Like I said, there's so much. I have a cheat sheet, and I'm not even going to pretend I don't. Okay, increases blood flow, helps lower blood pressure, helps purify our blood. It has potassium, iron, zinc, calcium, vitamins A, B, and C. Like, this is really quite something. It helps balance our pH levels in our blood as well as in our testosterone levels and estrogen levels. Now, it's recommended that in order to get the benefits from this as a powder, that you take 4 to 6 teaspoons, not tablespoons, teaspoons a day, throughout the day, not all at once. You want to benefit from it.
So like you could sprinkle some on a salad and count that?
Yes,
like that? Okay.
Definitely. You can put, say, 2 teaspoons in the morning in your smoothie if you're into the smoothies for breakfast. Or you can sprinkle it, like Andy said, at lunch too, over your salad. You can even put it in a glass of water, let it, you know, rehydrate, and just chug her down. You can sprinkle it in your soups. You can put it...
Sugar down.
Yeah. You can...
I never heard that one before. Hey, are you chugging that down?
You can put it in your soups. You can put it in your stews. You can sprinkle it over your dinner plate. Like, who cares? Get it in you. Because it opens the blood vessels, it also is a key factor in assisting many men who have erectile dysfunction. It gives a better flow. Leave it at that. And seriously, why is the camera going up and down here, Andy?
Sorry. I started laughing.
Also helps slow down the process of aging to our organs and our skin. Like something so simple. They've also, and still do, there's a new thing going now, makeup, natural makeup. We'll be seeing a lot more of it. Into a powder form, here is your lip color, here is your rouge. They used to do that back in the Victorian days. Do I want to go back to that? No, thank you. But it can be. It can be. It's also can be used as a fabric dye, a natural fabric dye. But I'm more interested in the medicinal properties, especially since I have Raynaud's, which means I have very small blood vessels, and I have problems with circulation. So taking the 4 to 6 teaspoons a day will benefit me greatly, quite a bit. So what we're going to do, if you have a mandolin, not the kind you play musically, if you have a slicing mandolin, go get it. And if you know how to use it without cutting your arteries, go get it. I can't be trusted with one. Andy's bought me a few.
Right in the garbage.
Yeah. See,
Two of her arteries went.
See, Blade, watch this. No, I can't. No.
Oh.
So we want to take it as thin as we can. Okay?
That's about an eighth of an inch, right?
Oh, might be even thinner. And you know how consistent I am in making my meatballs all the same size?
Yep.
That's going to happen here too. It's not going to happen. So you do the best you can. I did cut the tip right here, so I got a nice flat surface to work with. And we're just going to cut it all down. So I'm going to keep doing this. These are raw, right? They're not cooked. You want them raw. And that one's a little thicker. The thing is, the thinner they are, the faster they're going to be done, and the better the crunch as a chip and easier to grind into a powder. So I'm going to keep doing this and get all the ones I want done. Put them on my Cabela dehydrator, and I'll let you see them when they're in the dehydrator, and I'll bring you back when we're doing what we do. So as you can see, we have 2 projects on the go. We have our beet chips, beetroot chips, or beet powder. We're going to do both. And we have our orange slices, as well as making powder, again doing both. So I want them to cook at the fruit temperature. Power on. I want 135. And I'm going to go for 6 hours. They say the beets go for 4. So, but they're cooking them at a higher temp. So, and I want the fruit to go at the fruit temp. I'm going to try 6 and I'll check them. And we're off. Okay, so as I said earlier, in my machine, the beets take, up to 12 hours. They're nice and crunchy, nice chips. They're very tasty. We enjoy them. Another thing to do, like we said, the powder. Like, look how beautiful that powder is. Can you see it? Oh yeah. And there's still a few little hunkies in there. I can get that out. I'm not worried about it. My hands.
Oh yeah.
You can wear gloves if you're like a sissy and don't want people to know you actually did some work at home in the kitchen. Yeah. It washes off. I don't think you want to hear the loud roar of this machine to make the powder. This silly thing cost me $5 about 18 years ago.
Probably, yeah. So
at a second-hand store. Yeah. And it's my favorite. He's bought me all kinds of little gizmos to help me grind because we make a lot of powders. And I always come back to this stained, abused
coffee grinder, yeah.
I'm going to mute out the sound. Don't just open open it. Even though I pounded and I'm sitting for a second, wait till you see this.
Oh yeah, look at it.
Isn't that something?
It's the soul of the beet
Look
leaving.
inside the lid. Look at my nails already from the beets.
Wow, eh?
I got 2 hunks here that didn't want to grind, so I'll get them in the next round. I'm going to do something Andy yells at me about. Get your fingers under there! Because it's still plugged in.
Yes, it's like putting your hands under the lawnmower.
I know.
Jeez.
What, you can't? How do you fix the
Oh
blades?
my God. You grab it as it goes by. Jeez.
There you have it, guys. Nutritious chips. I'm going to keep grinding. I'm going to keep turning this into a beautiful powder. We're going to use it in our breakfast smoothies. We're going to use it in our lunch. We're going to 2 teaspoons each a day, 3 times a day. And that's just the way it's going to go down, especially coming into the winter. This also has healing attributes in that it helps keep viruses at bay. Why wouldn't we jump on anything that does all these beautiful things for us for the price of beets, right? So this is part of the hashtag Let's Dehydrate. Our channel hosts it, but in no way does it belong to us. There's over 30 channels involved. It's been viewed over, oh gosh, I should have checked this out before I came in. I'll put it in the description. It's been viewed well over 1,000 times. And the video count, I'll get back to you in the description as well. I just updated it yesterday. It's an open collaboration. Anybody, any creator, video creator who is dehydrating and would like to show somebody what they're doing with their dehydrator, please come on board. Hashtag Let's Dehydrate in the title and in the video description. That way when it's searched, hashtag Let's Dehydrate, it's going to come up and I can find it and stick it inside the playlist. Because I'm so bad at finding, let me know when you have a video. So that way I can hunt for it specifically and make sure it gets in there. It gets extra exposure for your channel. And it allows the viewers to have one place to go to get it all. Somebody's already done it, so what? Maybe you have a special connection with the viewer who's going to pull up yours that's in the playlist. And they're going to be very appreciative for your information. Keep it simple, keep it educational. Let's show people how beneficial dehydrating is. Come join us. I just want to thank everybody for joining us in the video. If you are subscribed, thanks for coming back for a visit. If you're not subscribed, please do. It helps our numbers go up, which means YouTube is going to say, oh, it's the Paiges. Let's put them in a suggested, help us out. Do the subscribe. 60% of our regular viewers aren't subscribed. So just want to say thank you again. I hope you got something from this. This is just like, and kids, better than crisps, right? Like potato chips.
Yeah.
Give them options, healthy options. Subscribe, like, comment below. Love your comments, everybody. Suggestions, ideas, keep them coming. And catch you on the next video.
Don't forget to hit that notification bell.
Yeah.
Ding, 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 ding.
My dinner.